a civil engineer with 10 years of experience in bridge design and as an instructor. In this course, we will focus on applying engineering knowledge to the specific case of bridges. Before we begin, it is important to start with a clear definition of what a bridge is. A bridge is a structure that enables a transportation route, which we call the carried way, to cross over an obstacle. Now, what do we mean by carried way? This can be a railway, a road, a highway, or a pedestrian walkway. In other words, any road that needs to be supported over an obstacle. And what types of obstacles are we talking about? Obstacles can be artificial, for example, another road or a railway line, or they can be natural, such as rivers, valleys, or challenging ground conditions. Based on this, we can identify the two main components of any bridge. First, the carried way, and second, the obstacle to be crossed. The ultimate goal of bridge design is to define an executable and optimized solution that responds to the various constraints associated with each of these elements. To achieve this, we rely on a wide range of data of different types and from different sources. Throughout this course, we will explore how to systematically approach this design challenge and how to make sure that our solutions are technically sound, cost-effective, and well adapted to real-world project conditions. Now let me present the objectives of this training. First, we will explore the general approach to bridge study. Then we will review the data required to conduct a proper bridge study. We will then move on to the general principles of bridge design. Next, we will focus on the design of bridge decks. We will also cover the design of bridge supports, including both piers and abutments. Finally, we will address the design of bridge foundations. Now let me present the structure of the training program in more detail. We will start with the topic of general design. First, we will look at how to collect and organize the necessary data for bridge design. Then we will focus on the development of the overall geometry of the bridge. This is a key step, as it defines the global dimensions and positioning of the structure. Next, we will cover the segmentation of the structure. In other words, how to divide the bridge into its main components and structural units. Finally, we will discuss the principles for selecting the most suitable type of bridge for a given project. Once this general framework is established, we will move on to the design of the individual bridge elements. We will begin with the design of standard bridge decks. We will then study the design of piers. After that, we will look at the design of abutments. And finally, we will address the design of bridge foundations. This structured approach will allow us to cover all the essential aspects of bridge design, step by step, from overall concept to detailed design of each component.